afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today I'm reviewing the Bolvoud cast iron garlic roaster. This roaster is compact and perfect for evenly roasting garlic without losing flavor. After prepping the garlic, it goes into the oven. The cast iron holds the heat really well, allowing the garlic to roast to perfection. And after a short roast time, the garlic comes out soft and spreadable, ideal for spreading on bread or adding to recipes. The Bolvoud out garlic roaster definitely brings out the garlic's natural sweetness, a must-have for garlic lovers. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Good Plate. Remember, ever forward, ever flavorful. Yum, yum!